Yeah, that deafening roaring sound? That's me, grinding away! I'm the rusty outer tub bearing. I lost my protective grease months ago.
I'm the aluminum spider bracket. Their grinding vibration is literally cracking my metal arms. Ah!
Every spin cycle is a metal-on-metal battle. We are tearing this wash drum apart.
We can't hold the drum straight anymore. The washer is about to self-destruct.
Wait! Step aside. I'm the new replacement tub bearing, and I'm built to spin smooth.
And I'm the double-lip tub seal. I block the wash water from rusting the bearings.
No more jet engine roar, just whisper quiet speed during the highest spin cycle.
With heavy-duty rubber and premium marine grease, we seal the leak and lock out rust.
Within one afternoon of DIY, your washing machine spins like it just left the factory.
Ah, finally. Peace and quiet in the laundry room again.
Over 50,000 DIYers have saved their washers from the scrapyard with this kit.
Yay!
Tap below to get your bearing and seal kit today. Save your washer!